Welcome to our channel. In this video we will see how to avoid regaining weight and keep the pounds off. For more information about weight loss and diet, please click the first link in the description. You've finally got rid of your fat, or maybe you want to keep losing even more weight. It would be a shame after a week of effort to start over and come back to square one. To do this, several guidelines can help you maintain your current weight or even lose more weight if you wish to do so over the long term. Here they are. 1. Take the time to chew your food. This is an instruction that we all know but that we often forget to apply. However, taking the time to chew can be beneficial to you, as the dietitian Florence Thorez explains to the magazine Madame Figaro. By taking the time to chew, we increase the duration of the meal and we send signals of satiation to the brain. This therefore prevents you from going snacking between meals and therefore promotes weight loss. 2. Reduce your portions. Many diets promise miraculous results by eating only a certain vegetable or specific fruit. Gaella Chazal, nutritionist, is however clear: as soon as you eat too much, you gain weight. It is therefore necessary to keep good eating habits and not to overdo foods with too many calories. Florence Thorez also recommends reducing the size of your plate. Indeed, a small full plate returns more positive signals than a large half-empty plate, even when the amount of food is the same. 3. Don't skip meals. It's a misconception that still lingers on heart. Many people who want to lose weight believe that skipping a meal will help them lose weight. In reality, this is totally counterproductive, since depriving yourself of a meal will only make you want a snack but also eat a substantial meal the next day to make up for it. 4. Treat yourself. We don't remember enough, but depriving yourself of your favorite foods during a diet is not entirely sustainable in the long term. The idea is to please yourself in moderation. Do you like cheese? Or even chocolate? Pleasing yourself once a week will not spoil your efforts as long as it is done responsibly and not overused. 5. Weigh yourself every 2 weeks. Weighing yourself every day or never weighing yourself can be bad habits for different reasons. Weighing yourself every day can be demoralizing. In addition, the weight of our body varies a lot. Water retention or even food ingested distort the weight displayed. Likewise, never weighing yourself is a bad idea because you won't know if your weight loss is working. For this reason, it is recommended to weigh yourself every 2 weeks in the morning on an empty stomach. This will allow you to see your progress and help you stay the course. 6. Promote satiating foods. Fruits and vegetables are essential for weight loss. They also provide you with a multitude of nutrients and vitamins. It is therefore advisable to consume it without neglecting other foods. Indeed, proteins can also help you in your weight loss. Find out how. 7. Continue to exercise regularly. In a weight loss program, physical activity remains a great ally. One of the main reasons is to help you maintain muscle mass. The more it is developed, the more calories your body burns. It is therefore strongly recommended to maintain adequate physical activity. You can try this 50 push-up challenge in a month.